Okay, so let's move on again a little bit about the speaking part one. Now, sometimes it's a question or queries for many students like যে হচ্ছে আমরা কি নেগেটিভ আনসার্স করতে পারবো কিনা যখন এক্সামিনার আমাকে প্রশ্ন করবে আমি না বলতে পারবো কিনা. So let's see how it works. So how do you answer questions about a topic that you are not interested in? For example, many people have no interest in dancing. So what should they say? Okay, is just tell the truth. It's fine to say you don't like something. Read my exam. I am just giving the examples below. Like, do you like dancing? No, I don't like dancing. I'm not a big music fan, and dancing just makes me feel uncomfortable and self-conscious. Has anyone ever taught you to dance? No, I have never been interested in learning to dance. So I have never taken any lessons or asked anyone to show me how to do it. So number three is, do you think that traditional dancing will be popular in the future? I'm afraid I have no idea because I don't follow what's happening in the dancing world. I suppose it will always be popular if it's some people. So see, you can answer in a negative way. But the thing is that ওকে অনেক সময় না বলার মধ্যে একটা পজিটিভিটি থাকে, সো আপনার না বলছেন but you can show other things or go for your own reasons that why you don't like. লাইকিংস পছন্দ বা হচ্ছে কোনো কিছুতে না বলা, it's up to their perceptions, up to their thinking styles. So negative answer, it's not bad. But the thing is, you need to answer it in a certain way so that whenever you are answering it to the examiner, they might not feel offended. কথাটা ক্লিয়ার? যে আমরা না বলছি একজনের ইচ্ছা না ইচ্ছা এটা থাকাটা অস্বাভাবিক কিছু না. সো যেমন এখানে ও ডান্সিং পছন্দ করে না, সে বলছে যে আমি মিউজিক ফ্যান না, সে তার রিজনস দেখিয়ে দিয়েছে. So this is the good way of answering in a negative answer. Negative in a when you are going to answer it through the question. Okay.